Okay, I got the screws in. There was six of them actually. 3 on this side, over here. There's 2 over here, and right here, and then 1 down at the bottom. Remember, the 5 here are tri-wing. The 1 at the bottom was a Phillips. Now I'll put the home button bracket back over. This side right here, fingers pointing at, I put underneath the metal frame and lock into that there's a little white dot right here where you put the hole in, and then I will put the 4 screws in with the tri-wing screwdriver, which is right here, and once I get those in, I'll come back to the video. Okay, so I'm back. Got these 4 screws put in now. Those are all tri-wing screws, and we're going to move up to the prox sensor and the ear speaker. So one of the first things I do is remove this blue plastic right here. Alright, another thing too to note is you can see it's got the white camera lens, the clear lens here. It's got the little clear thing for the placement of the prox. It's also got the ear mesh and all of that. If you're buying screens, you're getting good screens, then this is going to come with what you're purchasing. So I wanted to keep you updated on that. So now we're going to put the prox in. Hey, doing a YouTube video. So now we're putting the prox in, and gonna seat that into location. You got your ambient light sensor, your ear speaker, and this goes in this direction right here. Screw holes and everything will line up, as you can tell by looking at that. And then you put the frame right over top of that, and then you got 5 screws that go back in, all which are Phillips. Luckily my magnetic tip is working good on these. Okay. As I said, we do these YouTube videos. They're pretty much, we're not streaming them live, but we are pretty much doing them on the fly. Customers come in, they give us phones to fix, and we're taking videos of us fixing those phones. So these have not been opened. We don't know what's going on with them other than what the customer tells us. So there's always a chance we could run into a hiccup. I have gotten the everything back together on the screen. The battery is still unplugged. I always check that before plugging the screens back in. Again, there can always be an issue with it. It's rare. There's a lot of people that do repairs and they don't unplug the battery, but my suggestion would be to do that just to avoid any potential problems. So just want to show that it powers on once I plug the battery in. There we go. Done. Alright, thanks for watching. Again, subscribe to our channel, and if you got any comments or likes, please let us know. Thank you.